Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a program about counting the number of bits in a number. Suppose I will give you one example. Like suppose we have a number 14. So we have to count how many bits are set. Like if you write 14 in a binary representation, it will be like this 1110. So this is the binary representation for 14. Okay. So here the answer should be 3. So you have to count the number of bits that are 1 in a binary of a number. So how we will make that program? Okay, so let's solve this. First, I will give you the example like suppose 14 is the number, then what we can do, just write 14 here, okay, and then we will check what is here. So how we will check whether 1 is here or not? We can just, if we will do AND with 1, then we will get the result. What will happen after 1? Like this is similar to this operation. 1 we can write like this, okay, and if you will do the AND operation, then you will get result as this will be 0 because 0 and 1 AND is 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay, so this is not set. If it is 0, if x and 1, if x and 1 equal to 0 means bit is not set. Bit is not set, is not 1. Okay, but if we suppose shift x equal to x, right shift by 1, then what will happen? It's whenever we do the right shift, it's similar to division by 2, right? Or so after this operation, the x value will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if we will do this, then what we will be the result? Like x is 1, 1, 1, and if we will do 0, 0, 1, okay, so 1 and 0 and is 0, then again 0 and here 1. Okay, so now this time we can write like this: if x and x and 1, then count equal to count plus 1. Count is 0 initially, okay, because whenever you are counting something, the number cannot be smaller than 0, right? For counting any number, the smallest number is 0. Okay, so whenever we take any variable as a counter, then we take that as a first we take that as a 0. Okay, now I'm making this program for you. What we will do, we will make one while loop. Okay, while we have x, and then we will do this. Okay, here we will print x. Okay, let's check it. So first, what we are actually doing, we are checking every bit of this number. Okay, if this is set, then okay, then we will again do the right shifting. So if we will again do the right shifting, what this will become? In first step, suppose x equal to 1110 in first step. Then in second step, after left shift, when we will do the left shift, x will become x will become 110 okay. When again we will shift, what will happen? This x will become 11. Again we will shift by 1, then what x will become? X will become 1. And when again we will shift, x will become 0. So we can see always we are doing the right shift, okay. So we can, if we can do this in a in a loop, then it would be easy for us. So that's why I have used one loop here. We will do the same operation until we have some value for x. And here this is the condition. Whenever the last bit is 1, only then this condition x and 1 will become true, and we will have our counter. And you see, always if and while loop is in block in Python. So we have one block here, and this while loop block will start from here till here. So after all this operation, we will have the value of count, means how many bits are set in the variable. Okay, so let's run this program and check. Okay, x equal to input enter any integer. Okay, now we will convert it as a int, because by default whatever we input, that is received as a string. Now I will just print the binary values so that it would be easy to check whether our method is working or not. Now we will take one variable count as 0. Now while x, okay, if x and if x and 1, then count equal to, then count will be increased by 1. Okay, that's it. And after this we will print count. Okay, so now let's run this program. Okay, so now we have to enter the integer. Suppose I entered 45. So this is the binary of 45. Now you see it is an infinite loop. Something wrong in our program, right? What is the wrong? Okay, I will say what is wrong here. We are just doing the right shift. We are not doing anything. The value of x is always same. So this will become infinite loop. Means same line will be executed continuously, because no one not because we are not changing the value of x. So that's why this is an infinite loop, and this program will continue till infinity. So in order to break this, what we will do, we will just shift x by 1. Okay, now run it again and see. Suppose again we are entering the value of 45. So you see how many bits are here? 1 1 1 1, 4 bits are there, right? And we have answer as 4. So this 0b indicates that this is a binary number. So let's try for more numbers. Now I'm entering 99. So in 99 also only 4 bits are there, and we have answer as a 4. Let's try some other number. 766. Here 3 bits, so that's why we have answer as a 3. So I hope now you understood the logic here. Let's try to solve this program by some other method. Here what we are doing, we are always checking the bit, right? So if a number is 32 bit number, like generally we integer is a 32 bit in Python. So 32 times either that number becomes 0, or for every bit we will check. So let's try to optimize this program. Okay, I will make some other video. In the next video you can see how we can optimize this program. Thank you.